Hey folk, uh, right off the bat, I'm gonna continue with my naval battle CV fight, so I thought I would go with Pobeda. So, Russian CV, his strength lies with the skip bombers. It can do some serious amount of damage, both on, well, yeah, most all the ships, to be honest, but I really like them versus destroyers. If you can broadside them, cruisers, they're great. Torpedo bombers, pretty slow, doesn't really do much. Could be maybe you were able to hit a battleship. Other than that, it's kind of hard. They attack aircraft, can do some serious damage. Uh, 3,500 damage per rocket at maximum. But they will take some time to launch, so it's really hard versus fast-moving targets. Also, as the Russian CVs, that you will attack with the full attacking flight, so you will have one attack per flight, so to speak. So yeah, so main focus your skip bombers, and I have the torpedo speed module. So yeah, concealment is wise in my opinion, at least. That could be wise too, but I really like my concealment. I have 12 kilometers concealment, so pick whatever you feel like choosing that works for your playstyle. But yeah, as that Mark suggests, you picking that one, it might not be a bad idea. I'm not gonna spend my credits on it, but go for it if you want. Uh, so commander-wise, uh, it's been a while since I put these stats out, and I kept going for reduced damage. The torpedo damage increase would be a wise choice. Also, the speed of it, but eh. Alright, so let's try this then. As for Russian aircraft carriers, if you can find an island that's pretty center, you can launch so many planes. You can launch one attack and then launch again. Um, so if you can find an island close by, then try it. Like I'm gonna go for the one at D89. I also don't want to shoot right over, so I'm broadside to everything if I get spotted, so I'm gonna take a detour. So we got a couple of fighter 4-hour DD, so we can cap, or get into a cap at least. Okay, thought that would be a DD there. did you go? Ah, use your brakes, but we'll have an enemy DD as a 10 line too, of course. Oh, okay, sorry. Also, do not go close to a rooster. It's bad for health as planes. Really can't get into a good position. That aim was a bit off, but yeah, managed anyway. So we have a low battleship at B. I think I'm gonna focus him. And then I'm gonna have to help A. I guess should have helped A now. I guess not the best plane selection for this flight, but might as well. Yeah, there's no chance those torps are hitting anything. I still need to neutralize that DD before I continue on this flank. as you can see, my damage sucks. But yeah, that's how I play. But yeah, remember this line here for the engine. You can use W to increase your speed, and you can press S to slow down. Okay, there we go. So where is the turn? Not good. Not... Alright, I'm gonna continue this flank now. Didn't look very good there for a while. One. And of course he healed. Can I get a flood? Yeah, good. Flood. So this is what I mean with finding an island and being close to combat. You can just engine boost and you're there, attack, beat. Well, I guess that's that. Um, even though my damage wasn't really that good, it was kind of a fun fight at least. So Pobeda overall is a quite nice aircraft carrier. Uh, the speed increase from the launchers at the beginning really helps. Your main, as you saw me using, I kept using the skip bombers. Didn't really get into a good position or prototype position, but if you do, they're really good. Torp-wise, worked somewhat okay versus the battleships. It kind of hard um, as I said, with attack aircrafts to hit, since it does take a long time for them to launch their rockets. But yeah, it's a decent CV, so it's kind of depending on your playstyle. Thanks for watching. Take care, guys, and have fun. Bye bye.